the alignment with regards to the Sungai Buloh Kajang line was fixed before MRT Corporation was actually formed, and this was agreed by the Prime Minister and the government sometime in June. Actually, it was signed off, and we had the MRT day in July. So with regards to Jalan Sultan, really, I've been trying to effectively communicate it. It could be a failing on my part. They are concerned about the area changing. They are concerned about property being demolished. They are concerned about the negative things as far as MRT is concerned. But we've assured that time and time again, one, MRT Corporation is not going to acquire any property in Jalan Sultan or Chinatown except where we need to construct the station, which is actually at Uda Ocean. Right? Now, for all the other private properties, we are not acquiring. The only reason why we would acquire if it's absolutely necessary, where we cannot come to a mutual agreement, then we will initiate an acquisition. But apart from that, we are working on a mutual agreement basis. Now, what that technically means is that we just want the residents or the owners to understand that they need to vacate the location for about 6 months. And these are only the affected lots for 6 months, where we are allowed to do a preliminary inspection of all the properties. And then once we're satisfied with that and we've completed all that, we will do the tunneling, and then we'll go back in again to inspect whether we have caused any incremental damage or we've created any new damage to the area.